As we roll in the spring, I want to give a demonstration of how a frost-resistant hose bib works. We had a pretty cold winter this year, and this is a very common service call that we get, or emergency call that we get, is people have water in their basement or inside their house after they get done washing their car, cleaning the side of the house, water in the garden, whatever you choose to do this weekend. And the first problem starts with somebody left the hose connected to the frost-resistant hose bib through the winter. If you go to use your hose bib and there was a hose connected to it throughout the entire winter, there's a high probability that the unit froze inside the house. You won't know that it's leaking until you open the hose bib. That's a very common problem. There's a couple things to check for. If you end up having low water pressure, you could have somebody check downstairs while you're running it just to make sure, or you can call a professional in to have it checked out. So if this was connected, be wary that you have a possible frozen line in the back here, or a burst line at this point. It won't be frozen now that it's 70. And this is how these actually work. They are designed, and I already had this disassembled to make it easy. They are designed to shut off inside the building. So every time you open and close these, it shuts it off from the back of the hose bib, meaning that the rest of this part will be able to drain out the front because it stays pitched going towards the outside. This prevents this from freezing in the wintertime, as long as there was no obstructions connected to the end. How's that?